Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We're going to be looking at this super cool water-cooled system with the brand new 3090 Ti with a block on it. So let's start at the heart of this system. The base of this is an i9-12900K. We've talked about this CPU a bunch, so not a whole lot new there, but it is tucked under one of EK's Velocity 2 blocks. These are slightly newer. They're meant to be for their 1700 series Intel blocks. Super great so far, really good cooling, as well as beautiful RGB as you can see on the front. Now both of those are tied into the ROG MAXIMUS Z690 Hero from ASUS. Super great motherboard so far. Not as cool as some of their higher end ones that come with VRM coolers and such that you can water cool as well. But great for this block and the setup we're looking for. Comes with built-in Wi-Fi as well. Now, the heart of the system, it's a 3090 Ti. It's water cooled, it's got a special edition cooler. It's one of the FE cards. It'll overclock like a beast and won't blow up your system when it gets super hot. After the GPU, memory is one of our next most important components. For this one, we've got a huge 64 gig kit of Kingston's Fury Beast memory, running at a whopping 5600 megahertz. Super beefy, gonna help round out the system with the 3090 Ti and the 12900K. And on top of these radiators are some of CORSAIR's QL120 fans. They're tucked all the way around the system, and they're great for cooling, as well as you can see, covering the system in RGB. Now, a little bit of a nuanced thing that you may not have noticed is the only non-EK water cooling component we have tucked into the system are the BITS Power fittings. So far what we've learned is they're the best fittings for not leaking, as well as aesthetics as well. They come in black as well as silver, super great. And for our tubing, we did run EK's tubing. It works really well, we've had no issues with it. All right, so to round out our water cooling components, we do have to talk about the cooling. Now, some of the things that we do here at AVA that some other companies and or individuals in their personal builds may not do is running just distilled water. A lot of people like to run coolants and tell you that it'll keep it colder, run better. But for us, we just had problems with none of them lasting long term. For the best long term, distilled water with a treatment, specifically Primo Chill that we use, it works the best in our experience, but you can figure out anything you'd like. And just a little bit of color. Honestly, if you add some dye specific to water cooling so that it doesn't have any problems running through your loop or clogging up your pump. And in this particular case, it's just blue. Blue coolant. Works well. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, check out all our other socials, and take a look at this really cool 3090 Ti. It's water cooled. It's really cool.
If you like the PC in this video, be sure to contact our sales team at sales@avadirect.com, or you can head over to our website by clicking on the link in the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use our configurator to build a PC of your dreams. Be sure to click that thumbs up button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow our social media channels at avadirect.com.